Please subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button below, which is absolutely free, and hit the bell icon for new notifications. And if you are a returned user and already subscribed my channel, then please don't hit the button again. Thank you. Hey guys, Anushka this side from Review 101 and welcome to another haul video. So I am traveling nowadays and this one is a haul video from Chennai which I did from H&M, Lifestyle and MAC. So let's start with the haul section first. So I bought this H&M products from I think Express Avenue Mall. So yes, let me show you what are the products which I purchased from them. So these are two pair of earrings which I purchased from them, and these are of red color and black color. So let me show you how these earrings looks on me. So let me try the red black one first. So these are how the black earrings looks on me. These are very trendy, very lightweight earrings and yet very elegant. So this cost me rupees 699. I think yes, this cost me rupees 699. And the other red earrings, let me show you how these earrings looks on me. So this is how the red earrings looks on me. These are also very lightweight, very elegant earrings. You can carry in any function, like you can carry in party or any wedding as well. So yes, these are the earrings. This is how the earrings looks on me. Now move on to the next part, which is a bag. So this is a mini travel bag which I purchased from them. These are black in color and this is quite spacious. You can see this is quite spacious, and these do have two compartments in it, and this bag is quite useful as this is water resistance as well. So yes, this is the bag which I purchased from them, the black color bag. So the next are two stalls which I purchased from them. The one is in pink color and this is how this stall looks. This is how it is, and this is very nice, very lightweight stall yet very warm. Now moving to the next stall, which is quite wintry stall. This is of white grey color, white grey and black shade. This is how the stall is. This is the full size of stall, and this is quite awesome. Quite warm stall. So yes, this is how the stall is. So now moving to the next brand, which is a Lifestyle. Let me show you what I purchased from Lifestyle brand. So yes, I purchased one bag as well from Lifestyle. So this is the bag which I purchased from Lifestyle. It's a small bag than the previous one. So yes, this is the bag. It has one compartment in it, and it's a very lightweight bag, like it's not very heavy bag, it's a lightweight bag which is from Ginger, I think. Yes, this is from Ginger. And apart from this bag, I purchased few kits, small kits as well for accessories and other things. So this one is the first pouch which I purchased. These are very cute pink color pouch. This is how the pouch looks like. So this have one compartment in it. You can store anything, like you can store your earrings, your rubber bands or anything, like while traveling or without traveling. So yes, this one is the first pouch and this retails rupees 199. The next pouch is of black color and round shape. So I love this pouch. I don't know why, but this one is quite a good pouch, and it's written OK over here, and here it's written always be mine. So this is how the pouch is. It's black and white polka dot pouch. So this also have one compartment in it. This is how the pouch is from inside. This is also you can use in travel or anything, and this retails rupees 199. So yes, this is the another. Now moving to the third pouch, which is of pink color, and it's from Ginger only, and this one retails $4.99, and this is sort of sling bag and a pouch. So I purchased this for a pouch purpose only, for a kit or travel kit purpose. So this do have a sling attached with it. So this one is having 2 compartments in it. This is how the pouch is. It's of very baby pink color and have a zip pocket at the back side of the pouch. So yes, this is how the pouch looks like. So the last thing is from MAC. I purchased just one thing from MAC and I did my full makeup. Today from this product only. I did not apply anything else for base, just this. So yes, this one I purchased from MAC, and the product which I purchased from MAC is MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This one retails $2,500. So yes, this is the product, and I am in shade NC41. This is how the product is from inside. This is how it is. It's a very pigmented and very it's very pigmented powder, and you can say you just don't need anything else while you have this. You just apply this and you are good to go anywhere. I will definitely do a tutorial for this for very basic makeup. So yes, this is MAC Powder Plus Foundation Studio Fix. So these all were the products which I purchased today. Do let me know which product you like the most, and please like my video and comment your feedback below. For now, bye bye, take care, keep smiling, stay healthy.